Certificate of Competence in Zero Trust CCZT exam dumps questions are useful in preparation. Share some CCZT exam dumps questions here. 1. In a deployment with multiple indexes, what will happen when a search is run and an index is not specified in the search string? A. No events will be returned. B. Splunk will prompt you to specify an index. C. All non-indexed events to which the user has access will be returned. D. Events from every index searched by default to which the user has access will be returned. 2. Which of the following is an option after clicking an item in search results? A. Saving the item to a report. B. Adding the item to the search. C. Adding the item to a dashboard. D. Saving the search to a JSON file. 3. When displaying results of a search, which of the following is true about line charts? A. Line charts are optimal for single and multiple series. B. Line charts are optimal for single series when using fast mode. C. Line charts are optimal for multiple series with 3 or more columns. D. Line charts are optimal for multi-series searches with at least 2 or more columns. 4. Which of the following is the recommended way to create multiple dashboards displaying data from the same search? A. Save the search as a report and use it in multiple dashboards as needed. B. Save the search as a dashboard panel for each dashboard that needs the data. C. Save the search as a scheduled alert and use it in multiple dashboards as needed. D. Export the results of the search to an XML file and use the file as the basis of the dashboards. 5. What must be done in order to use a lookup table in Splunk? A. The lookup must be configured to run automatically. B. The contents of the lookup file must be copied and pasted into the search bar. C. The lookup file must be uploaded to Splunk and a lookup definition must be created. D. The lookup file must be uploaded to the etc. apps lookups folder for automatic ingestion. 6. What is a suggested Splunk best practice for naming reports? A. Reports are best named using many numbers so they can be more easily sorted. B. Use a consistent naming convention so they are easily separated by characteristics such as group and object. C. Name reports as uniquely as possible with no overlap to differentiate them from one another. D. Any naming convention is fine as long as you keep an external spreadsheet to keep track. 7. What is the purpose of using a by clause with the stats command? A. To group the results by one or more fields. B. To compute numerical statistics on each field. C. To specify how the values in a list are delimited. D. To partition the input data based on the split by fields. 8. Which is a primary function of the timeline located under the search bar? A. To differentiate between structured and unstructured events in the data. B. To sort the events returned by the search command in chronological order. C. To zoom in and zoom out. Although this does not change the scale of the chart. D. To show peaks and/or valleys in the timeline, which can indicate spikes in activity or downtime. 9. Which statement is true about Splunk alerts? A. Alerts are based on searches that are either run on a scheduled interval or in real time. B. Alerts are based on searches and when triggered will only send an email notification. C. Alerts are based on searches and require cron to run on scheduled interval. D. Alerts are based on searches that are run exclusively as real-time. 10. What can be configured using the Edit Job Settings menu? A. Export the results to CSV format. B. Add the job results to a dashboard. C. Schedule the job to rerun in 10 minutes. D. Change job lifetime from 10 minutes to 7 days.